Question number 51. Which of the following is not a correct match? Offenses, section of IPC. Extortion, section 383. Dacoity, section 391. Robbery, section 389. Theft, section 378. Here it has been asked which of the following is not a correct match. The correct answer is robbery. Robbery here is given section 389 is not a correct answer. Robbery is defined in section 390 of IPC. Question number 52. The draft of IPC was prepared by First Law Commission. In First Law Commission, the draft of IPC was prepared by Lord Macaulay was the main president of the First Law Commission, and along with MacLeod, Anderson and Millets help in drafting the IPC. Question number 53. A cuts down a tree on Z's ground without his permission and takes it away without Z's knowledge. It is theft, it is an extortion, it is a dishonest misappropriation, it is a criminal trespass. Correct answer is it is a theft, and theft is defined in section 378 of IPC. Question number 54. A meets with a bullock carrying a box of treasure. He drives the bullock in a certain direction in order that he may dishonestly take the treasure. A has committed option A, robbery, criminal breach of trust, theft, none of the above. Correct answer is theft. Question number 55. Making preparation to commit dacoity is punishable under IPC 1860, under section 393, under section 395, under section 399 and under section 396. Correct answer is option C, that is under section 399. Making preparation to commit dacoity is punishable. Match the following decided cases and related sections of the IPC. Decided cases, statement first, Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor. Correct answer is section 34. This is related to Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor. K.M. Nanavati versus State of Maharashtra. Correct answer is section 300. Mittu versus State of Punjab. Correct answer is section 303. R versus Govind. Correct answer is distinguish between section 299 and section 300. Once again, I will repeat this decided cases and related sections of IPC. Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor, section 34. K.M. Nanavati versus State of Maharashtra, section 300. Mittu versus State of Punjab, section 303. And R versus Govind distinguish between section 299 and section 300 of IPC. Therefore, the correct option is option A. Question number 57. In which of the following section of IPC kidnapping or maiming a minor for purpose of begging has been discussed? Options are section 363, section 364, section 363A, section 364A. Correct answer is section 363A. Discuss about the kidnapping or maiming a minor for the purpose of begging. Question number 58. The word valuable security is defined in IPC under, correct answer is section 30. Section 30 of IPC defined that valuable security. Question number 59. A causes Z to go within a walled space and locks Z. A shall be guilty of assault, wrongful confinement, wrongful restraint, none of the above. Correct answer is wrongful confinement. Question number 60. Match the list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer using the quotes given below. Section 81 of IPC. Section 81 of IPC, correct match in list second is defense of necessity. Section 84 of IPC. Section 84 of IPC is related to act of a person of unsound mind. Section 86 of IPC is related to intoxication. Section 95 of IPC is related to act of causing slight harm. Question number 61. Use of violence by a member of an assembly of 5 or more persons in furtherance of common object will constitute. Options are affray, assault, rioting, unlawful assembly. Correct answer is rioting. In section 146 of IPC, rioting has been defined. Question number 62. A intentionally causes Z's death partly by illegally omitting to give Z food and partly by beating Z. A has committed the offence of option A, culpable homicide and not amounting to murder, attempt to commit murder, murder, grievous hurt. Correct answer is murder. Question number 63. Mehboob Shah versus King Emperor is a leading case on. Correct answer is common intention. Mehboob Shah versus King Emperor is a leading case on common intention. Question number 64. Which section of the Police Act 1861 provides duties of police officer? Correct answer is section 23. In section 23 of Police Act 1861, duties of police officers has been provided. Question number 65. Which of the following section of the Police Act 1861 empowers the police to regulate public assemblies and processions and licensing the same? Options are section 32, section 30, section 28 and section 26. Correct answer is section 30. In section 13, police can regulate public assemblies and processions and licensing. Question number 66. Punishment of withholding of increments or promotions of police officer under section 7 of the Police Act 1861 is effective from 1/4/1945, 1 April 1944, This is the correct answer. Question number 67. Inspector General of Police can appoint additional police near the railways with the consent of the following: District Magistrate, Railway Ministry, State Government, Superintendent of Police, Railway. Correct answer is State Government. Question number 68. Which chapter of the UP Police Regulation related to the absconded offender? Correct answer is option B, that is chapter 19. Question number 69. Which of the following para of UP Police Regulation relates to post-mortem and procedure thereof? Correct answer is option A, that is para 139. Question number 70. Which one of the following sections of Police Act 1861 contains provisions relating to general diary? Correct answer is section 44. In section 44, provisions relating to general diary has been defined. This is very important question. Question number 71. Village Chowkidar must attend at their police station on fixed dates for the purpose of reporting births and deaths. Options A, once a month, twice a month, thrice a month and once a year. Correct answer is twice a month. Question number 72. Which one of the following section of CRPC 1973 prohibits the male police officer from touching the person of a woman while making her arrest? Options are A, proviso of section 41 clause 1, proviso of section 42 clause 2, proviso of section 46 clause 1. C, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, that is proviso of section 46 clause 1. Question number 73. Which of the following is not the correct match? Information in cognizable cases, section 144 of Criminal Procedure Code. This is the correct answer. Arrest by magistrate, section 43 of Criminal Procedure Code. This is not the correct match, that's why this will be the right answer. Whereas arrest without warrant by police officer, section 41, this is right. Contents of the charges, section 211 of the CRPC, this is also right. So as per the question which has been asked, which of the following is not a correct match? Option B is not a correct match. Question number 74. Which of the following case is related to section 144 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973? Options are Ram Avatar versus State of UP, State of Karnataka versus Praveen Togadia, Bhagwan Dutt versus Kamla Devi, Iqbal Ahmed versus State of UP. This is very important question. It has been asked in various examination. Correct answer is option B, that is State of Karnataka versus Praveen Togadia. This is related to section 144 of CRPC. Question number 75. Which one of the following section of the CRPC is applied when officer in charge of a police station receive an information that a person has committed suicide? Correct answer is section 174.